how to create or sign in your account on yahoo.com. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your yahoo.com. So first thing what you want to do is select any of your browser on your PC and just head over to this official website, that is mail.yahoo.com, which will redirect you to this page. And to sign into your Yahoo Mail account, what you can do is you can either simply connect with your Gmail account or from over here, or you can just click on this sign up button and wait for some time, which will redirect you to this page. So fill up all of your details. So once you fill out all of your details, simply click on next, and just it will say enter your phone number, which will send your verification code on your WhatsApp. So once you get your verification code, simply click on your verification code, and just like that you will have successfully created your yahoo.com mail. So simply click on done, and just like that you have successfully created your Yahoo Mail email on your device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.